Have you been patiently waiting, longing for the day when HubSpot showed some major love to all the WordPress HubSpot users? Well, guess what? You know what time it is.
Are you a HubSpot user looking for fun and interactive education that helps you be better at HubSpot? Then welcome to Sprocket Talk.
That's right, it's your boy George B. Thomas from SprocketTalk.com bringing you yet another HubSpot educational video. Hey, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell as well for those instant notifications. Now, let's get into the good stuff. It's a glorious day for all you WordPress HubSpot users. Why, you ask? Well, let me share. The HubSpot WordPress plugin now provides a dashboard that shows you the number of contacts you've generated on your site and gives you the ability to view your HubSpot contacts and HubSpot list. Yes, contacts and lists without ever needing to leave your WordPress admin area. Now, historically, the plugin provided lead capture tools like HubSpot Forms and live chat with HubSpot Conversations, but you had to leave WordPress and go into your HubSpot hub to see how many contacts you had actually generated with your marketing efforts. And that's no good. It's kind of a waste of time. However, now when you log into your WordPress admin area and go to the HubSpot plugin, you'll be shown your HubSpot dashboard, giving you a quick and easy view of how many contacts you've generated from your WordPress site. You can also navigate to see all your contacts and see who's in your HubSpot contact database. When you're ready to segment your contacts, you can head over to the HubSpot list tool to begin creating segmented lists to use for email campaigns, workflows, and other amazing sales and marketing actions. You can navigate to each of these tools using the left-hand side navigation right in your WordPress admin dashboard, saving you precious time in your day. Thanks, HubSpot. This update is now live and available in all languages supported by HubSpot to anyone who uses, well, the HubSpot WordPress plugin, because it's the WordPress plugin. If you want to learn more, you can learn more about the HubSpot WordPress plugin in your HubSpot's app marketplace if you don't already have it in place on your site. Hey, did you like this video? Want to get more actionable sales, marketing, and service tutorials, updates, interviews, and more? I mean, there's a lot there. Ready to be part of the fastest growing community of HubSpot users on the planet? Then head over to SprocketTalk.com, pick the package that's right for you, and keep on learning. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell as well for those instant notifications. And last, but certainly not least, make sure you're focused on being a happy, helpful, humble human. And along the way, make sure you're doing some happy HubSpotting.